So a few days ago, I broken down the movie Dhurandhar and how it was a propaganda movie. Explained that in my previous videos. And this time, the Indian podcasting is on fire with ex-terrorist on Prakhar, and I think on those cast, I think some ex-Muslim or something like this. Not ex-Muslim, some expert in the Muslim community. And from them, what I learned that anybody who becomes a terrorist or jihadi or something like this, it's not that they are poor people or they are uneducated or something. I came to know explicitly they are basically tech nerds, intelligent boys, and everything. So what is the reason they go into this route or something like this? And which I exactly predicted before in my videos. It's basically not having a family unit, not having a woman to love, and eventually having kids or something like this. So these boys in those areas lack so much intimacy. They have no respect in the society, and they go to such extent to get those things and get radicalized into this kind of stuff. So from their stories, I get to understood this guy basically crossed the what do you say? Crossed the territory, went to Pakistan just for a woman. And even for men as well, like on the side who's protecting, they are also like honey trapped into a lot of things because they also don't have women and they get honey trapped by other side of the people. So you think how deeper this cause is, like it basically forces like people to take extreme routes, and it is more worse in those countries where there's no technology. What I mean by technology is like if you have technology, it's good for sedation. Somebody who's being extreme, technology, like if you have a phone or something, you will get busy with internet, Instagram, games and shit, not movies and everything. They will not take that. Even if they have urge for things, they will not do it. If you have PSP or something, boys will be in football or shit and this kind of thing, right? Sedated for lifelong. But this country doesn't have that development or something, so they will have this kind of thing. Even worst part is that over there, polygamy is a big thing. Like one guy who's doing well in his family will have marry like 3-4 girls or something like this, have a big family or something, where the rest of man will have nothing. So these kind of like add fuels to the fire on those situation. So like the youth is not peaceful over there. Like they are like used left and right and center. They have nothing to aim for, and it's not that like the way they have been grown, like that could be have changed. Like they could be turned into capable man where they could have a family, a loving wife or children or something like this, which didn't happen for them. And for them, like they are promised for this angels who's right, they will get once this suicide or something like this. So and it is not only for the like nerds and everything, right, who are expert in coding, technology and everything. They also too have the problem. They've been studying like a nerd, but they don't have the other capabilities of life. Right? The society have cheated with them. Like they said, hey, you will do this, you will get all the things, but it's not true. Like you have to be a complete man to have a family, a woman to love, or have children to bear, not just being good in one thing. So any one-dimensional guy is also a big target. So that kind of reveals a lot of things, and it's not like this factor have like men not having a family to love, women to love, and kids to bear is problem for like it's the root cause for a lot of things going out there. And if you could fix, it is going to be like helpful. And now what I feel like as technology is growing in every parts of the world, soon the terrorism will also drop. Like it will be very hard to move the asses of lazy people who are sedated and everything to do and go like give life for their life, something like this. The cricket is there, boys will rather play cricket than get into this kind of activity. So I hope this goes along. That is like a small patch for the solution, but the better solution is that we make a society good for everybody. There are a lot of people, there are good gender biases, like gender ratio and everything. People are capable. Like you have to grow the boys such a way where they could become a gentleman and a person who could bear family.